Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to fix your performing request occur in your iPhone or iPad. If you are having this issue, then this video is for you to solve it. First of all, open your settings and then hit on the silver and make sure that your silver data option is not set to low. If it is, then change it to 3G or higher than that. For now, go through the network selection and make sure that it is on automatic mode. Now, once you do that, shut down your device for few minutes and then again turn it on. Once you do that, hit on the settings again, scroll down a little bit, hit on the general. Now go to the transfer or reset iPhone and then reset all settings. Once you do that, your issue will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.